Hi everybody, welcome to this data modeling help video. We'll be creating a data model in a spreadsheet. We're going to review some things that you should already know, and then we're going to look at functions and how to use functions in our formula. Okay, so let's just get started. What I'm going to do here is do a quick calculation for the pay column here. The pay is the hours worked multiplied by the pay rate per hour. That will be the pay. So let's just do that calculation. In cell E2, the pay will be this value multiplied by this value. So there's our formula for the pay calculation. Now let's just copy that down by dragging the handle, and there we have all of the results. If I do Control and the tilde symbol on my keyboard, can you find that symbol? Control tilde, I can go into Formula View and I can just see all of the formulas there that I've created and just make sure that they're correct. So I'm double checking my work. Let's do Control tilde again, and we come back to Data View. I'm just going to insert a column here, and I'm going to call it Tax, and the tax rate is 0.17, and I'm going to drag that value down using the handle to every row in the data model. I'm going to format that to be a percentage to 0 decimal places. Okay. Now we're going to do another calculation. We're going to do the calculation for pay minus tax. So this is a little bit complicated. It's equal to pay minus the pay multiplied by the tax. And that will give us our final pay. So our original pay was 100 whatever dollars. Tax was 17%, so our final pay is 83, and we can copy that down. And let's format that as a currency, because that's currency data. In fact, so is that. So we're just setting up our data model here. Now here we've got some summary data, and we're going to use some functions inside our formula. Remember that formula start with the equal sign. And in my formula, I can use functions. So we're going to put in cell J3, the number of employees. Well, we can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's create a formula and use a function. I'm going to use the count A function. Now it's asking us for value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, value 5. So let's do it. There's value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3, comma, value 4, comma. Actually, there's an easier way to do this. Let's do it again. Equals count A. Count A means we're counting something with text in it. And these names have text in it. This is text. So this is the count A function. Let's just select all of the rows that we want to include in the function, close the brackets, and then hit enter. So there are 37 employees. Now let's have a look at total pay after tax, which is this column here. I'm going to do equals. Now the function I'm going to use is the sum function. There it is, the sum function. And again, it's asking us for lots of numbers, number 1, number 2. Well, let's just select all of these numbers like this, and we can sum, and there is the total pay after tax. So your challenge is to see if you can figure out how to use other functions in your spreadsheet software and possibly create a chart as well. Let's get started.